Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to use DNB currency converter in the app while traveling. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to use DNB's currency converter in the mobile app, first what you need to do is just simply head over and open up the DNB mobile application and be sure to be logged in to your account by your user method using bank ID, PIN and etc. Once you're in the home screen, when you open the app, you should land on the home screen. On that screen, DNB shows a currency calculator with live or nearly exchange rates. So just simply swipe to the right and you'll find the calculator. Simply tap on that calculator to open it, and then once you're inside, you will see two or more fields, one choosing from currency and another for to currency. For example, from NOK or Norwegian kroner to euro or another currency depending on where you are. Simply enter the amount you want to convert. Then after entering the amount, the calculator will show how you will approximate converted value based on the current exchange rate. Then when you pay with your credit card or card abroad, always choose to pay in the local currency, not in the Norwegian currency. This gives you a better exchange rate. And if you are withdrawing cash from ATM, choose the option no conversion. If it's offered, that means the ATM or network does not convert for you, so you don't lose extra on that rate. Then next is to be aware of fees. Even with a good exchange rate, DNB applies a currency conversion fee of 1.99% when you pay with your card abroad. That means the amount you end up paying in NOK includes a small extra charge, but choosing local currency still helps minimize how much you lose. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.